Hi, puppy. Oh, hello. I'm at Rentschler Field in East Hartford, and I came here to watch some bike racing. It's a practice race, so it's something that I actually could do myself and have been thinking about doing, but I just want to see it, you know? I want to see it once before it scares me. So, I had the time, so I decided to come down and watch it. You came with me.
35 minutes plus 3 laps. So what that means at 35 minutes, at the end of the 35 minutes, you'll get lap cards for 3 laps to go. They'll let you know. The final lap gives you a bell.
Power.
2 to go.
Keep it going, Chris. Keep it going.
Hi, Joey!
2 to go. There's 1 lap to go.
Hi, Joey!
If I was really serious, I'd have a camera like that. What will you do with your footage?
It goes on Gorilla Cycling.
Say it again?
It goes on Gorilla Cycling.
Gorilla
on Facebook.
Cycling. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you. And this one is the more experienced riders. I think there's like 43 of them. Millie has been sheared. As soon as I turn on my camera, she jumps up. She was lying down, napping. It was really cute. I was going to just take a quick little shot of her, but... This may seem weird, but I decided to turn this on. I'm headed to a funeral. I rarely put on, like, presentable clothing, so this is what it takes. And that's the story. Goodbye, angels. I made these out of paper mache. They're really just like newspaper and glue over water bottles, plastic water bottles. And I cut the bottoms out so you can put them on top of your Christmas tree if you want, or whatever. And I'm thinking that after I do this half Ironman, I'm going to start figuring out how to equip my bicycle so that I can do errands and visits and stuff on my bike, like bring a change, have enough storage on it that I can bring a change of clothes. I built this rack. I built it like the same way somebody would build a IKEA furniture. I didn't actually make the pieces, but I put them together. This is all the cards and stuff that I make and that I sell, and I'm got an art show coming up, picking out artwork for it. There's a piece. And I'm going to put this rack in the gallery as well, so people who can't buy my paintings at least can get mini versions. See? Ooh, beautiful. Okay, next. That's an ominous sky. We're walking Millie. And then going home and I'm going to make a birthday dinner. for this
me.
guy. I wrote out the whole menu so he could choose like he was at a restaurant, because really the best food around here is made at our house. Whole dog journal
Yeah. Yep. Exactly.
for dog food reviews. This is my video thing, so
Okay.
I'm reminding myself.
Come on, Crystal.
Actually, I do YouTube videos, so like just a diary, and somebody who watched them bought us this this thing.
Oh, how cool.
We use it every day. So I just got the camera because I had to show you the destruction of this kitchen right now. This is my sous chef.
Hi. I have a coconut milk.
Okay, great. Can you open it? And the meal is happening while the birthday boy is napping, which is perfect. Tortillas, hummus on a bed of watercress, guacamole and arugula salad with sweet onions and tomato. And the main course will be rice noodle, plain rice noodles, sweet and spicy. There's some cucumber there, and this is going to be a coconut milk, sort of Thai flavored, sweet and sour, spicy stir fry with peanuts. I just realized I didn't get a shot at the dessert. It's it's hard to really see what it is. It's Indian corn pudding with cashew cream and peaches. Oh, and maple. It's a maple cashew cream. And the kitchen is mostly cleaned up. Woo-hoo. So I'm about to go do a 12-mile run, and I decided I'm not carrying the water belt with me. I'm just going to drop off bottles along the way. So I'm looking at my map. This is my run. So I'm going to start here. And then I'm going to put a bottle here. So, and then I'm going to put a bottle here where I'm going to hit twice. That's like 5 and 10 miles. So I'll probably put one here. And that will be my run. 4 stops. That should be plenty.